We're vibing out. Dude, what if I do activities? What if I do activities for chat? What if we got, like, a better setup in the living room, and I had, like, weights, and there were, like, challenger, or, like, not weights, but, like, physical, I don't know. There's, like, stuff I could do. I'm really trying to think how I can make the live viewings, like, more interactive and, like, have more things. I think that we should have sound effects for things. Or we should have, like, activate, I don't know. I gotta figure out, like, things I could do. You know? I can't do a pole dance, dude. I'd break my fucking knee or something. Who knows? I could do push-ups if I lose a bet or something, you know? Alright. So, I do... Look, I feel like there's no damage for Fnatic unless Sivir is, like, 3 items. I could do a bingo sheet, yeah. Whoa, what is... Wow. Comp having to use his cleanse there is actually really scary. Wait, what? What did Joe do? Wait, what did Joe do? What did Joe do? Wait, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? What did Joe do? 2.4, sell my soul? Dude, but the Fnatic draft has no damage. Like, how do they deal damage to Jackson? Dude, it's... What? I actually don't. I'm trying to understand, like, how Fnatic can win. I'm trying to legitimately understand how they can win. Why does Razork have red smite?